Hi, this is Suhail, and in this video I'll tell you about the basics of Git and open source contributions. The Hacktober fest is after 2 days, so for that we'll do some open source contribution today, and I'll show you how to do that. So for that we'll need Git and a GitHub account. So first go to Git, go to Google and type download Git. So what is Git? Basically, Git is a version control system which we'll use here to make open source contributions. So click here and then choose your operating system to download Git. And after downloading, see, if you are using Mac or Linux, you will use a terminal. If you are using Windows, then you will be doing it on your Git bash. After downloading Git, go to your terminal and type git version to make sure if it's installed properly or not. Now Git is installed, we'll move forward to do our first open source contribution. For that you'll need to have a GitHub account, so make sure to get a GitHub account, and after that go to Google and type first contributions. Click on the first link. Okay, here you can see the repository of first contributions. This is the readme.md file. You can read it and it will exactly tell you how to do that. So this is the code base. First, what you'll need to do, just fork it. You're logged in to your account, fork it. Fork here on your GitHub account. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so now it is forked. Basically, it's on your account. The repository is now on your account. You can make changes to it here. You cannot make changes directly to their code base. That's why you're forked here. You'll make changes, you will send them pull request, and after reviewing the code they will merge it into the repository. This is how it's done. So now click here and copy this link. Click to copy. Go to your terminal. Now I am on my root directory, so I'll type cd and desktop. I'll type des and tab to auto complete it. Now I'm on my desktop. Here I'll clone that repository on my local computer. So for that I'll type git clone and control V or command V. So it will take some time to clone. Alright, so now it's successfully cloned on your desktop. To access this, you can do cd first contributions. So you'll go to that repository. Okay, so now we are on first contributions folder or repository directory, what do you say. And here, if you have a code editor, then open with it. For that, type code space dot and hit enter. Now we have opened the code in our code editor. We'll open the terminal. So the terminal is opened. Now we'll create a new branch. Whatever you do, whatever changes you do is done on some branch. We'll create a new branch for us for our particular change, so that no conflicts, or like they'll be able to merge it. For that we'll type git checkout my -b and your branch name. So a new branch has been created, and simultaneously we have switched on it. So whatever changes we make now, it will be pushed to the forked repository on our GitHub, and the changes will be reflected on this branch only. Now type git remote -b to see if it's yeah, we can see that the origin is our GitHub account and the repository is that forked repository. everything is okay. Now what we'll do, we'll go to contributors.md file and we'll make some changes and we'll push it on our origin, and we'll make a pull request to the respective original branch, and after that they'll review the code, and after successfully reviewing they'll merge it. That's how pull request is merged. I just type my name here. Okay, followed by my social media account. All right. Okay. No. See, now type git status. It will show modified contributors.md in red color. It means that the changes whatever you have done is not staged yet. It's in our local computer only and is not staged in git. So for staging it or making it able to be pushed on the GitHub to the repository of our GitHub, we'll do git add and that file name, or either we just have one file, so we'll do git add dot. It just adds everything whichever is unstaged. So we have done git add. Now type git commit -m to commit it, and give a message over here, anything you want. Okay, so the commit has been done, one file is changed and one insertion have been made. Oh sorry. So now we'll do git push origin and that branch name. Git push, we are pushing to the origin and in this branch, and hit enter. So here you'll see it's been successfully. So
I didn't catch that.
Okay, go back to your GitHub, refresh it. Okay, so now you'll see the branch that we had created has recent pushes less than a minute ago. Now click here, compare and pull request. Okay, added so I'll add it to the file. Now click on create pull request. Alright, here you can see that this pull request has been successfully merged and closed. But when in real life projects you do, like it's also real life, but in actual when you make a pull request, it's not merged instantly. The code reviewers will review your code, and if it's like if it is good and able to be merged, then only they will merge it, and after merging it will show like this: pull request successfully merged and closed. So now one PR has been done. This is how open source contribution is done. Alright, so that's all. And in Hacktober Fest also, like there will be a repository and there will be some maintainers, and you'll have to do the same thing. They'll create issues like this kind of thing. It will have a code base, and there will be issues, and there will be certain tags over here. Good first issues, which is beginner friendly. So like you can go over there and see like what changes they actually need. Here is the person and he'll tell you what to do. Like you can, if the task is, if the issue is assigned to someone, here it will show the assignee name. But if not assigned, then you can go over here and type that hey, like can I please work on it, can you assign me this issue. So the person will assign that issue to you, and you can work on it and get your pull request merged. So that's all for this video. Thank you, have a nice day.